In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in PowerPoint, which can be incredibly useful whether you're preparing a presentation for a global audience, or simply trying to work in a language that's more comfortable for you. This process, which we'll break down in a step-by-step approach, will take us about 5 minutes, provided you follow along carefully. Let's start by opening your Microsoft PowerPoint application. This can be done easily by searching for PowerPoint in your computer's search bar, or by finding it in your list of installed applications. Once the application is open, you'll be greeted by the opening screen. This is your dashboard for recent documents or to start something fresh. From here, you'll need to open your file. Navigate to the file you want to work with on the opening screen. If you've recently worked on the presentation, it might appear right in the recent documents. If not, you can use the Open option to navigate to your file's location on your computer. After your chosen PowerPoint file is open, your next step is to head over to File, which you'll find in the upper left corner of your screen. Clicking on File will take you to a backstage view of PowerPoint where you can access a plethora of options regarding your document. In the menu list displayed to the left of the backstage view, scroll all the way down to Find and Select Options. This will open the PowerPoint Options dialog box, which contains several settings, allowing you to customize your user experience in PowerPoint. Within the Options dialog box, you're looking for the Language tab, which you should find on the left side. Once you click on Language, you will see various settings related to editing, display, and help languages. Now it's time to add a new language. You should see a button labeled Add a Language. Clicking this will bring up a list of available languages that PowerPoint supports. This list is comprehensive, giving you a wide range of language options to choose from. Take a moment to scroll through the list and find the language you want to set as your default for PowerPoint. Once you've located your preferred language, click on it to select it. Following this selection, you'll see an option to install the language pack if it's not already installed on your machine. It's worth noting that some languages may require you to download a language pack, especially if you're looking for comprehensive support like spell check. After selecting and possibly installing your new language, you will be prompted to acknowledge the change. This is typically done by clicking an OK button, which confirms your choices and closes the dialog box. To fully integrate and apply the changes you've made, it might be necessary to restart PowerPoint. This ensures that the application fully adopts your new language settings, providing you with menus, options, and spell check capabilities in the language of your choice. And that's essentially it. You've successfully changed the language in PowerPoint. Now, when you navigate through PowerPoint's options and features, they should display in the language you selected. This can greatly improve your productivity and comfort while using the software, especially if you're more proficient in the language you've chosen. A couple of final tips to ensure everything goes smoothly. Remember to check if your chosen language is fully supported by Office. This affects not only the interface language, but spell check capabilities as well. Also, some language packs might require a restart not only of the application, but of your entire computer system to fully integrate. By following these steps, you've tailored PowerPoint to better suit your linguistic needs, making your work more efficient and personalized. From here, you can either dive right back into your work or explore additional customization options to make PowerPoint even more compatible with how you like to work.